And good morning, it's Craig here from Kabooyaa, and I just wanted to share with you a brand new website or funnel that we've created for solar companies. Also have it for other niches as well, but we're going to just cover the solar one now. So anybody who is an existing Kabooyaa customer and you would like this website Snapshot added to your account and my help to set it up so you can use it. It's very unique. It uses a survey to entice a potential client to fill in their details. So this is the initial page. It's basically calculate your savings. It'll automatically populate with your testimonials that you've got set up in when we bring it in and any information that you have. So we've done it so it's automated. And basically you click here and a pop-up survey happens, asks for details about the client. So we're collecting details. That's how that works. Once they've filled in the survey, they then go to your calendar page where they can then opt in to book an appointment with you. So it's pretty standard. Again, we just match in the right calendar for you. And then obviously there's a confirmation page at the end of that. So they'll receive this. Once they're done, we can change the image here to your branding and so forth quite easily, as you know. So that's the website, and it's basically a lead gen opportunity for using a survey to collect the data for your client. Now, once we collect that data, we've got a whole series of workflows that fit in here, which all fit into the calendar appointment and so forth. Once they fill in their details, they get given a tag, they get assigned to the user, all the notifications come out. Then they get an SMS, hey, contact, this is such and such from blah, blah, blah. Just wanted to double check, did you fill out your details? So we're just trying to get them to do a response back. And then they get the email, obviously, receive your info, blah, 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 schedule here if you haven't already. So this is just the first automation that they get. It's quite easy for you to use. Once if we come here, we just go to the settings, we can just add your domain name, save it, and it's basically ready for you to start using as a funnel to collect leads. So if you guys would like that added to your account, just reach out to me at admin@kabooyaa.com and we'll add it to your account, and then we can set up a call and I can help you set it up in 5 minutes, basically. Just gives you another opportunity to market to a new website, opt-in funnel, quite simple to use, taking us a while to set up, but if you like it, give us a call. Just reach out, and we'll talk. If you're not a Kabooyaa client, or you're looking to, if you're a solar company and you want some help to generate leads, obviously also reach out. There's a link under this video where you can opt in and get my free course, how to set up your marketing system in Kabooyaa. So if you want to do that, just fill in your details below, click on the link, fill in the details, and we'll get in touch and see how we can help you out. Craig from Kabooyaa. Talk soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.